This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. The sellers have upgraded this home during their 6-year ownership, including replacement of HVAC components, tankless hot water, and the large Pella window in the front of the home. All appliances remain, including new dishwasher and newer refrigerator, washer and dryer. Popular floor plan with vaulted living area which is open to dining and kitchen. Ventless gas fireplace. Primary suite plus laundry and half bath down. 2 bedrooms, shared bath, and loft area up. 2-car rear load attached garage. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.